Hi, my name is Yula, and today we continue to talk about skin types and products for each other. Today is the day of combination skin. Combination skin is a combination of oily and dry patches of skin on your face. Some of glands produce too much oil, fogs up your pores, stretching them out and causing pimples. Some don't produce enough sebum, skin dries out and flakes. On the one hand, dry skin don't produce enough sebum. Without it, your skin is prone to flakiness and brand discolorations. On the other, oily skin is caused by overproduction of sebum. It clogs pores and stays on the surface of your face. So how to prepare combination skin for makeup? The key to find a balance. You need to keep oil production under control on your T-zone without drying out drier areas. You can mix different skincare in little places or find one product that suits your type. It may be products for sensitive skin, as my choice, or your special things, but my skin still isn't perfect, so better to talk with your doctor. Cleansing. As with oil skin, harsh cleansers won't be able to help you get rid of skin problems. They will damage skin barrier not only on dry areas but also on oily parts. Use a gentle cleanser or water. Or you can totally go for two products and use a foaming cleanser on your oily areas and a cream cleanser on your drier areas. It is a little strange, but it might work for you. Moisturizing. Use light fresh formulas such as gel, serum, or lotion moisturizer are based on humectants that attract water to the skin, plus low levels of occlusives that keep moisture from evaporating. If you feel that some areas hasn't got enough, it may feel lush, then use something moisturizing here like toners. 21st century toners are instant sponges and pH plasters full of calming, restorative ingredients such as antioxidants and probiotics that help heal and balance skin. You also can mix skincare of oily and dry skin on oily and dry skin areas routine on the parts corresponding to them. Due to cold weather, you can use rich cream on the dry areas. Avoiding an undesirable reaction stick to sensitive skin care products. Priming. Use a Addition Hydrating Primer on the dry zones to make your foundation look better. On the oily parts, use mattifying one. Choose foundation that wouldn't overdry your skin or make it look greasy. Your primer and foundation base should be matched. Water plus water or silicone plus silicone. I heard it isn't work, but I think it's working. So, how to keep makeup on combination skin? Use a mattifying primer on oily areas before foundation. Set your makeup with a setting spray for longevity. Blot throughout the day to manage shine without disturbing your makeup. So let's talk about consistency and formula for product for combination skin makeup. Foundation. As combination skin has oily parts, then choose oil-free matte foundation with a long wear formula. Try to stay on the light side instead of full coverage. It controls shine in oily zones while improving coverage in drier areas. Sculpture. Find cream or liquid sculpture as often skin near to hairline dry on the combo skin. So these formulas blend easily for a natural finish without looking kicky or dry. Blush. Powder blush with a satin finish if you want some shine, or just powder matte products. Powder can absorb oil from your cheeks. It's better to use if you have oily cheeks. Highlighter. Use powder products if your skin on the cheeks is oily, you feel shine after 10 minutes, or liquid if you feel that it works for you. As I said before, powder helps absorb excess of oil. It isn't go go away from the place that you want to highlight. And if you choose liquid formulas, provides a dewy look without emphasizing dryness. Apply sparingly to maintain a natural glow. Eyeshadow. It's better to use powder shadows or liquid with fixed on oil skin because eyelids often oily. Powder. It's a base to choose. Translucent setting powder. It helps to mattify the skin and set makeup in oily areas without adding extra coverage to dry spots. So we have a good base in combination skin makeup. Individual skin types may react differently to products, so test products for a few days before committing to them fully. Look for samples and discover what works best for you. That is the end of this video. Have a good outfit and a stylish mood. Subscribe to other my social media and